Archaeologists use the rate of carbon-14 decay in order to find out the age of objects. So radioactive carbon-14 has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Carbon-14 decays into nitrogen-14. It has 7 protons, 7 neutrons, and 1 beta particle is being released. By measuring the carbon-14 decay, archaeologists were able to find that the oldest Qur'an found at the University of Birmingham was 1,370 years old. Here's our Hopscotch work table. We have 6 red dots representing the 6 protons. We have 8 blue dots representing the 8 neutrons. And we have 1 black dot representing the beta particle being released. We have the emoji character of the book representing the Qur'an and the 2 texts. When the play button is tapped, we need to do this rule for all the blue dots and all the red dots. We are going to change the size of the dot to be a little bit bigger, 150% of its original emoji character size. In the decay, when the iPad is tapped, 1 neutron is going to become a proton. So 1 blue dot is going to be changed to become a red dot. In the decay, we are going to release a beta particle. So initially, when the play button is tapped, the beta particle is invisible. When the iPad is tapped and the decay happens, the beta particle is going to become visible. We are going to set its angle at 45 degrees so it can move horizontally by 300 units. When the play button is tapped, the text is going to draw the background. It consists of 1 very, very white dot of lilac color. When the iPad is tapped, the text that was appearing in page 1 is going to change to become the text that appears on page 2. For the book, when the play button is tapped, we set its size to be 500% of its original emoji character size. When the iPad is tapped, our text that appeared on page 1 is going to change to the text that appears on page 2, and we change the letter size to 80%, a little bit smaller of its original size. Put it all together and we have our program.